This YouTube channel gained 62,000 subscribers with just 10 short videos. And the craziest part? Everything they did, you can do too, without spending a single dollar. Every video is just around 2 minutes long, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos by yourself. According to Social Blade, they're making about $1,000 a month from these 10 uploads. So, if you've been thinking about starting a unique money-making YouTube channel, this video is 100% for you. The niche they've chosen is so untapped that competition is basically irrelevant. And today, I'll show you how to copy the exact strategy step by step. Let's start with the basics. Your channel's look. Pick a simple, solid color theme. Trust me, it makes your channel feel more like a brand than just another random account. The example channel uses a light red tone. You can pick whatever pops. Just make sure it's consistent. Now, for your channel name and description, fire up ChatGPT's free version. Use these 2 simple prompts. I'll share a doc with all of them in the description. For example, I landed on the name Mind Shift. Next, head over to Canva. Again, the free version is enough. Start by creating a square logo. Set dimensions to 2000 by 2000 pixels. Upload your chosen brand color and drag it into a square background. Add your channel name in a clean, simple font, something readable and professional. Download the logo, and then do the same for your banner image. Use dimensions 2560 by 1440 pixels. Stick to a simple, minimal layout. Add a background shape. A short slogan like, "Change thoughts, change life." That's your branding done. Set up your channel. Right before you even think about uploading, listen closely. Don't rush it. If you upload right after creating your channel, you risk getting shadow banned. Even if your video is amazing, it won't get views. To avoid this, use an older Gmail account that's already been active. Set up 2-step verification and let your channel sit for about 14 days. Engage with content, comment, like, and act like a real person to warm up your account. Upload your new logo and banner once your channel is ready. Then use a tool like Rapid Tags to find the right keywords for your niche. Something like motivation or self-growth. Paste those tags in your channel settings under the keyword section. Boom. Channel setup done. Generating video ideas. Now comes the exciting part. What are your videos about? We want ideas that are scroll-stopping and fresh. I've created a very specific prompt for ChatGPT that helps you get 100% original video ideas tailored for this niche. Use the prompt, ask for 10 ideas, and you're good to go. At this point, we haven't spent a single penny. That's the beauty of this strategy. Next, you'll need solid scripts. I studied more than 10 channels in this space and created a script generation prompt that beats most of what's already out there. Let's test it with this topic, the 2-minute truth. Most people are too weak to hear. Run the prompt through ChatGPT and you'll get a tight 2 to 3 minute script that starts strong and keeps interest till the end. Once you have script, do a little bit editing it yourself so you can have more causal and human tone. Now, time to turn those words into voice. I use 11 Labs. Yes, it has a paid plan, but you get 10,000 free credits every month. That's enough for around 15 videos. Choose a voice that sounds real and doesn't use extra credits. I like Adam. He's got that deep, engaging tone that works well for motivational content. Paste in your script, generate the audio, and store it safely for editing. Now, let me give you the secret sauce that will make your content money-making machine. A lot of these viral videos use movie clips, but how do they avoid copyright strikes? It's called fair use. And here's the trick. Use only short 1 to 2 second scenes. Modify them. Change the audio. Add effects or text overlays. Make sure it's not a re-upload or full copy of the original. You can grab these scenes from Clip.cafe. For other visuals, stock footage from Pexels or Unsplash works perfectly. Download what you need. Let's move to editing. If you're still watching this video, I have massive respect for you. You're part of the 1% who are actually serious about becoming rich. Drop a comment below and tell me what video you'd like me to make next. I'll be reading every single one. Editing the video. I'm using CapCut for this. Start a new project, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and import all your footage and audio. Layer your voiceover first. Then align the visuals based on the script flow. It'll take time, but it's worth it. Once clips are in place, now generate subtitles using auto caption. Uncheck Apply to All so you can style each caption individually. Add animation, play with fonts, and make it feel premium. Lastly, drop in background music and tweak the volume to fit the voice.
You think you're tired? No, you're not. You think you're unmotivated? You are wrong again. The truth is, you've just gotten comfortable being weak. You scroll, you binge, you escape, but deep down, you know you're wasting your life. You're not confused, you're just avoiding the work. So let me give you some advice. Success isn't hiding from you, you're hiding from it. Every "I'll start tomorrow" is another grave you're digging for your dreams. Look around, people are half alive, medicating their failure with distractions. You want to be different? You better start acting like it. So here's the truth most can't handle. If your life sucks, it's your fault. But the good news, that means it's your responsibility to fix it. Now shut this video and go do something that makes your future proud.
Making the thumbnail. We're almost there. Back in Canva, make a thumbnail, 1920 by 1080. Use your brand color again and write a bold, punchy title. Add silhouette figures, shapes, whatever you like. Just keep it clean and clickable. You don't need to be a designer to make something powerful. And that's it. You just learned how to launch a powerful YouTube channel without spending any money, using tools that are completely free. If even 10 of you watching this actually follow through, I guarantee you'll see results. Take action. You've got everything you need now. Just subscribe the channel because I am going to expose a brand new niche in the next week, which is making thousands of dollars, and only top gurus know about it. See you.